Bakit ang daming nagiging leader pero hindi nagiging effective? Let's be real. Magaling sila sa ginagawa nila. Pero nung sila na yung na-assign na maging leader, biglang nag-struggle. Kasi leadership is not about doing more, it's about thinking differently. Take note, when you are a leader, you are no longer responsible for doing the job. You are now responsible for inspiring, coaching, mentoring, motivating, and that's is empowerment. And that takes a completely different mindset. 3 mindset shift you need when you stepping into leadership. First, from ako ang gagawa to ako ang magtuturo kung paano gawin. Your success is no longer based on what you can do, but what others can do because of you. Second, from kailangan nila ako to kaya nila na wala ako. Stop aiming to be needed. Start aiming to build people who can lead without you. And lastly, from task focus to people focus. Ang goal, hindi lang basta magawa o matapos lang ang trabaho. Kasi ang goal ng tunay na leadership ay yung merong nagle-level up na tao, nag-i-improve habang ginagawa ang trabaho. Again, ang mahusay na leader ay hindi lang gumagawa ng resulta, kundi gumagawa rin ng tao na kayang magdala ng resulta.